Did I tell y'all I was washing my body with shampoo? Kyber was talking about this. Ooh, you know, I'm sorry. No, you're fine.
And pharmacy.
Pharmacy? I think maybe I'll go to Target. I have to pick up like my prescription. I have to pick up cheese. But while I'm doing those things, we can go look at like hygiene stuff because I do have to get that stuff too. So we're gonna take a trip to Target. Let's go. I need this deodorant, but this looks like it'll smell pretty good. Do they have nice stuff? I don't think they do. This is the foam wash that I normally get. I need a new toothbrush, but I don't want to spend an arm, a leg, and a thigh. This quip is $25. Yeah. Advanced Care toothpaste. I do need a toothbrush, but I don't feel like spending $6,000 for a toothbrush. Is OralB a good toothbrush? Or this one? I feel like this is good. Toothpaste. And then OralB. Definitely feel like some of these lights are out. Why? I don't know. Kyber was talking about this. So, because Kyber was talking about this in her blog. She said it smells like something. I forgot. It smells pretty good. I need a new body wash, but I think I'm not going to only just get this one. So I'm going to try this one. It smells okay. Nothing crazy, but it smells good. Did I tell y'all I was washing my body with shampoo? Nobody told me. See how it says shampoo? I didn't know this had this shampoo. I was washing my body with it. Don't judge me. Okay. I'm sorry. No, you're fine. So Native has some stuff here. Strawberry vanilla taffy. Let me see. Oh my god. This? Holy crap. This smells good. I might get this one. I might get this one. It is body wash. I had to check. I tried to smell this before. I don't really like it. It's not my favorite scent. I want something strong. I want to smell like something super sweet. This looks good. And going almond butter. Always good. I do need more of these. I'm gonna get this. Wait, $2.19. What's the difference? No. See. Okay. I need to find like 1-2 more things, and then I'm actually done, I think, with my hygiene. Do you have Saltaire products? Salt.
And pharmacy.
Pharmacy? All right, y'all, so we are officially finished doing our hygiene shopping, and now we are headed back home. I feel like, do I need to show you guys what I got? But I guess yes, so you can just see like a roundabout idea of what I got. But I feel like I got things that I got everything I have you saw, I think. But I'll just do like a quick shopping with me, showing you what I got in case you didn't. So yeah. That's it. I got some more body washes, which I'm proud about because I feel like I didn't have enough body washes, but the Saltaire didn't have it in store. So I don't know what it smells like, but it's supposedly really good, but I can't try it because I don't have it in store. So yeah, we're on our way home, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm going to cook, and we'll go from there. So, bye.